Hey guys, so welcome back here. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this effective hair growth oil that will make your hair grow faster and fuller like never. If you're not ready for hair growth, please do not use this oil. So to make this oil, we need our clove powder. I'll be dropping all measurements on the screen. We need our clove powder and we need our blender. You can use any blender of your choice as long as you have a blender that is going to mix up all your herbs. You also need a scale, and let me tell you a little bit about clove. Benefit of clove to the hair is that clove actually have this effect, anti-fungi and antibacterial effect, which helps to give you a longer healthy hair, a fuller healthy hair. So if you have scanty edges, you have scanty hair, your hairs are not healthy, you have dandruffs, clove is going to help you treat all these issues. So guys, I'm going to blend this. So I'm only using this blender so that I'll be able to mix properly. Okay, that's why I'm actually using this blender, so that I'll be able to mix the herbs properly in here. Right here, I'm going to pour in my oils, my hair growth oil, because we are not done yet. So I'm going to place this on a double boiler so that I'll be able to infuse the herbal extract of all the herbs I added in here. I'm going to leave this for about 40 to 45 minutes, and I'm actually boiling, or I'm infusing on the lowest heat. So this is my oil. I'm done infusing. I infused for 45 minutes, and at this point, every herbal extract in the herbs has been extracted inside this oil. Why I like to use grinded herbs is because it is very easy to extract, especially when you're not you're not doing the infusion method of you leaving your herbs inside your oil for 1 month. I am doing the double boiling method, and it is very fast like this to extract the herbal extract in your herb when you blend your powders before you start infusing through a double boiling method. Okay, so my oils is ready. So the next thing, I'm going to sieve this. You can sieve with a cheesecloth, whichever way you will sieve, and you'll be able to sieve well. Please feel free to do that. So I am using double sieve here. At this point also, after you sieve out like this, you can equally use a cheesecloth to just make sure you get out all the powders left inside the oil. So this is our hair growth oil, and I need 100 gram of this. So you can see the chaff I was talking about. I don't have a cheesecloth. If not, I would have used a cheesecloth to filter this. Right here, I'm going to add in my vitamin E oil. So here is our hair growth oil. Can you see the way it is? So I just added in my vitamin E. So this is our oil, our hair growth oil.